In this video, you'll learn how to spell check in Gmail so your emails look polished and professional every time you hit send. We'll walk through the process from starting a new email to running the spell check and what to pay attention to along the way. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in if you're not already logged in. Once you're on your inbox page, look toward the upper left corner and click the Compose button. This will open a new message window, usually in the lower right corner of your screen. You'll see fields for the recipient, the subject line, and the main body of the email. Go ahead and type your message as you normally would. Add the recipient's email address, write a clear subject line, and then type out the body of your message. Don't worry yet about spelling. The idea is to get your thoughts down first. As you type, you may already notice that Gmail underlines possible spelling mistakes with a colored line depending on your browser and language settings. That's helpful, but we're going to use Gmail's built-in spell check as an extra layer of review. Once you've finished typing your email, move your attention to the bottom right area of the Compose window. You'll see a row of icons. Look for the 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a small menu with additional tools and settings related to your email. In that menu, find and select the option labeled Check Spelling. When you click Check Spelling, Gmail will scan the text in your message for possible spelling errors. Any words it thinks might be misspelled will be highlighted. Depending on your version of Gmail and your browser, these might appear with an underline or a different color. Now go through your message and review each highlighted word. When you see something marked as a potential mistake, click on that word. Gmail will usually show you 1 or more suggested corrections. If one of the suggestions is correct, click it to replace the original word. If you realize that the word is actually spelled correctly, for example, a name or a technical term, you can simply ignore the suggestion and move on. Take your time here and make sure each correction matches what you want to say. While you're reviewing, this is also a great moment to scan your sentences for clarity and tone. Spell check won't catch everything, like missing words or awkward phrasing, so a quick manual read-through is still important. After you've worked through all of the highlighted words, scroll through your email one more time to confirm there are no remaining underlines or issues. When you're satisfied that your spelling looks good and your message reads clearly, you're ready to send your email with more confidence. Click the send button and your spell-checked message will be on its way. That's all there is to it. By clicking Compose, typing your message, opening the More Options menu, and selecting Check Spelling, you can quickly catch and fix spelling mistakes before your email reaches someone's inbox.